King KWGT is a powerful customization application for Android devices that focuses on creating and managing personalized widgets using the KWGT Custom Widget Maker platform. This app allows users to design unique home screen widgets that can display various information, such as time, weather, battery status, and app shortcuts, all tailored to individual preferences and aesthetics. King KWGT features a vast library of pre-made templates and customizable elements, giving users the flexibility to modify colors, sizes, fonts, and layouts to match their desired look. Its intuitive interface facilitates easy navigation, enabling both beginners and advanced users to craft visually appealing widgets without extensive design experience. The application not only promotes creativity, but also encourages community engagement, as users can share their creations and discover widgets designed by others. With regular updates and new templates added, King KWGT remains a popular choice among Android users looking to elevate their home screen experience through unique and stylish widget designs.